Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. Then again 14 minus 2 is equal to also 12. Now 12 multiply 12 is equal to 144. But 144 is not correct answer. It's a completely wrong answer, okay? So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay? PEMDAS, P-E-M DAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to 14 minus 2. Now solve this parenthesis. 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, so now remove this parenthesis, so the expression becomes 14 minus 2. Now remove this parenthesis, so multiply 12. Okay, so now here is subtraction and here is multiplication, so multiplication comes first, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so is equal to 14 minus, now 2 multiply 12 equal to 24, so is equal to 14 minus 24 is equal to minus 10. So the correct answer is minus 10. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.